Hi, my name is Praneeth Naheta. I'm the owner of Gehna Jewelry Boutique. I'm also a graduate gemologist from GIA. So where we learn about gems, gemstones, gemology, and that's why I have in-depth knowledge. Also, being a part of our family business in gemstones for 7 generations, I've gained a lot of experience and trading in different kind of gemstones in all parts of the world. Uh, why we associated with Karthik is because when I met him 3 months back, I realized that he has a very nice understanding and logical reasoning of astro science, which also deals with gems and how gems have healing powers and how they benefit people when advised to wear the right stone. And my experience, I did a personal consultation with him, me and my wife, and my experience with him when I did a consultation was bang on. We were really happy, and we really got a lot of insight into things which we were overlooking. And he told us how we can change things and adapt things to make things better for us uh, by wearing a right gemstone as well, which we currently are. And then I realized that why not integrate the two things together? His understanding of the science of and my understanding of gems, and we bring these two synergy of these two things together to people who really I feel are not benefiting from the right consultation, the right advice. Maybe they're wearing the wrong stone, and that's having an adverse effect. They're not being guided properly. In fact, in the consultation with Karthik, I learned that being angry doesn't mean that you have to wear a pearl. I mean, contrary to our belief, which we all thought pearl gives you peace of mind, which was not true. So it's understanding a different art altogether, and it's very scientific, it's very logical, which is why I would like to welcome all of you to come and attend the workshop Logic Hair with Karthik Gore, and understand and realize it for yourself, how these things have impact in our lives, how they can really make things better for us, and you know make change things in a positive direction. Our association with Saffron Media and with Karthik Gore, we believe will go a long way, because our ideologies match, and we are on the same page where the gems are concerned, where the whole logic behind gemology is concerned, where wearing the right gemstone is concerned. And it's not just something new we're talking about. It's something which has been coming down since years and generations, and you would see a lot of celebrities, a lot of industrialists, a lot of people wearing gemstones. But were they wearing the right gemstones? Is there a logic behind it? What is the logic behind it, and how you can derive proper advice when you have to wear a gemstone? This is what is very interesting, and this is what we need to come to the workshop and see and understand. We will be having these workshops in the future. We are going to be conducting it in different areas, and I would welcome you to come and be a part of it. Log on, register, and benefit all that you can from this knowledge. Thank you.